Well, basically, somebody got their volume screwed up. Either way, a lot of people have been on my comment pages lately. Do this stunt, do this stunt, do this stunt. And they all correlate with stunts that my arch nemesis, Furious Pete 123, has done. What's going on is all my videos are popping up next to his vids, and all my vids are popping up next to his vids. And if I just said that twice, don't pay $2 for a pound of rice. So this is my new office for the next 2 years. We got fake plants, ceiling fans, and a lot of people keep asking me to eat facial tissue. A lot of people just don't go back and watch old YouTube vids, so I have to refresh some of the old timer things that made me famous. Basically, I'm going to try not to move in and out of the screen so the colors don't change, you know what I mean? Sometimes they do. Alright, so I wanted to prove something to people today with this stunt about why the whole thing was what a lot of people just ask what does water is for pussies mean, all the new people. Well, I'm gonna stop saying that. There's nothing I can do about me saying it on, some of my vids that are out there. Basically, yeah, so I tried the Warhead candy thing yesterday, realized that my webcam was on photo. My webcam actually trolled me. But it really wasn't that hard of a stunt. My tongue's fine. It's white as a mofo, bro. Because I'm sitting like right at this window. And sometimes, man, it just makes me want to sing. Alright, so basically what I want to show you is my shirt's wet because I had it out on the clothesline. This condo's got a clothesline. And I used a plant basically to hide the 1990s TV out of stay out. I don't need any more views. Either way, it's a condo. I signed a year lease, so. Alright. Now, if you take one facial tissue, right, and you try and knead it without using water, it's even hard for a veteran professional idiot like me. I had some surgery done on my blinking problem, so now I do blink like every 30 seconds or so. It's pretty cool. Alright, so let's do, got this fine gold-plated glass from Price is Right, 1979. First thing they bid on before they get up on stage. Now, take another tissue and dip it in water. Okay, you remember how long it took me the last time, right? Now I got it dipped in water and just watch. Gone. So, I'm going to try 10. These are thick ones. And of course it's a blue box. Facial tissues 100 sheets. Oh man, I didn't break the seal in front of you guys. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now, Furious Pete's an eating maniac. You just got it, the ability and the endurance to hold a lot more food. But I do crazy stunts, I tried some food stunts, have a good time, Shout out my buddy's place, but so here we go. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I'm going to use water on these 5. It's probably going to suck up most of the water in this glass. That was a weird noise. Okay, so on your mark, 10 tissues in under a minute. On your mark, get set, Shoenice. Oh, God. Get down here. What happens is they start stacking up in your throat. I'll regret this next week when I'm watching Days of Our Lives and there's a sad moment. I don't have anything to wipe my tears on. Time. Okay. So we're over the waters for pussies thing. If you happen to put it in a comment and then walked away, you're a little biatch. Now I'm going to go try and stop that ceiling fan with my head to end off the video. Ow, ow, ow. All right. I did it. Somebody's knocking at the door, I think. Yeah.